Hi, I'm Silka. I'm a UX expert at my company, Hubadoo. And I'm going to teach you guys how to run a UX expert audit, which will basically help your websites just get a little more click, better SEO, better interaction with people, make sure that you're accessible, etc. But without having to know anything about UX. I'm going to show you some tools to basically help your businesses without needing to know anything. Alright. So, first, so a little bit about my company. So we're basically a community of people who work in different aspects of IT and UX, UI. Does everyone know what UX is, by the way? Yeah? User experience? It's like making sure that people can use things. I'll show you some really bad examples of UX in a minute so you can see like what we try not to do. My company is basically about making sure that we've got an amazing community of people who are really awesome at what they do, mainly in tech, but we also just recently started looking at construction as well, which is a bit of a change for us. But we look at some of these different job sectors. At the moment, IT networks is a really big one for us. We've got lots of people at Sky, so huge companies, Fortune 500, etc. And the thing about our company is that it's only about really amazing talent. So you can have people working remotely or working on site. It's international, but it's all people who've been vetted by people who work in the industry and who are experts in the industry. So only like the best. And I'm really lucky because I get to take care of the UX portion of that, which is nice. So a little bit about our UX community. It's fairly recent for us, just basically since I joined the company. We've been getting into having a lot of UX people. And like it's a combination, like some people veer a bit more to design, others more researchers. My background's in architecture, which is not architecture, but IT architecture, which is looking at how websites are composed, like making sure that you can access the right links in the right places, making sure people can access everything on the site, and looking at sales funnels, etc. as well. So I do a bit of analytics and research. I do a lot of target market testing with people, and also just like tons of research on Google, etc. Working with lots of people. But yeah, the people that we have in our UX community at the moment can do all of these things. Some of them will go really in depth. Some of them will do really quick fixes. So if you want to do some rapid prototyping over an hour, maybe in a session, you can do that with them as well. So today, I'm going to be looking at expert reviews, which is just something we call looking at a website and saying what's on it, basically. Really simple. You can see on the right-hand side here, we've got an example of really bad UX. So you can get that if you don't want to listen. So things that we do when we're running an expert review usually is you look at what the user needs are. So what are people trying to achieve on your website, and can they do that? You also look at what the business is trying to achieve, like KPIs, analytics, etc., sales funnels, all of that. You try to check like what's most important for the business and make sure that you can achieve that. Also market standards, so that's just looking at, so for instance, if you're on a mobile, you need to make sure that buttons are fingerprint width, so 44 pixels by 44 pixels, etc. It's like things like that, just having a knowledge of the market. And also Nielsen's heuristics, which is sounds a bit technical. It's just like a set of standards for website design to make sure that to make sure that users can still find help, they can always see what's going on the application, etc. It's just a guidelines for how to design something to the best of your ability. So what we did is we've got all those requirements and we know what we're trying to achieve, and then we look at the website and we review it, and that might take 3 days, it might take 3 months, it might take a couple of hours. But what you're doing is basically going through and checking the major flows that we're doing through that website. So if you're trying to get people to buy your product, then you're looking at sales funnels. And looking at that, you check like what's the maximum that people are able to do and what's the minimum they're able to do. So then you establish a severity rating for how bad things might be on the site, and typically that can be pretty awful. I mean, if you're getting called in to do an expert review somewhere, it's typically a website that needs a lot of help. So there's a lot of red typically in our reports, but we also look at the things that are working quite well. And then you take all of the faults with the website and you establish what's a quick win for the company. So what can you do like within 5 or 10 minutes to get things working better, or what's going to be a long-term goal for the company. So I'm that everyone would be familiar with. I'm sorry. Well, I've got some tools to show you, like how to analyze a site. So I'm gonna go to a bit of a live demo, and you might recognize it. Possibly. Okay. And I have to say, for a start, this site.
That's a free consultation.
Yeah, exactly.
This site actually it's doing pretty damn, which made it harder for me, right? Because I had to like analyze it. In general, things are working really well. There are a few little things that you can do there, like straight off, to like make sure that you are hitting your target markets in the right way. So I've written down a few notes here. Things like, if you've got a carousel at the top of the page, if you have a carousel at the top of the page, you're limiting people's ability to access all of the correct flows that you want them to be able to access at the top. So here you can see the Waco Razappa, and it's going to change, and we've got a different link there. That means that you're hiding some of your most important links on the site. Stuff you want in the hero, like this top section of the site, is the stuff that you really want people to access. And you want them to be able to access that. You want them to be able to access that at all times. So, one thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to use like a little plugin, which is a color picker. Oh, no, not on. Okay, so I'm going to take this color. I'll send over all these tools to you guys as well after this if you want to look. So, color is super important for web design. It can drive down your ranking for SEO if you haven't got a site that passes all your AA capabilities. Basically, WordTag is like a point of testing for accessibility to make sure that all people who are colorblind, etc., can access everything on your site. So if you're not meeting all of those standards, you've got a load of people who won't be able to access your core links on site. But again, I'll send you those links afterwards. So some other things we've got. Sorry, guys. Other things we've got on the page. So people don't read from left to right on screens. They read in short sections. So if you've got your text limited to this area in the center, people are way more likely to be able to actually read the content. If you're using a bigger width, on your site, then it's going to be much harder for them to access that information and actually read what you're giving them here. There's a lot of content on this page, which is good for SEO, but it's also a negative in terms of people being able to quickly grab information as they're going through it. But I had 1 minute, didn't I? So maybe just
take your time.
Now take your time.
So we've got, I'll just jump down to the footer. So we've got a footer on the page, which is great. So you've got all your social content on there. You've also given the different office details. That's something that doesn't appear on other pages. So that's something that it should be on every page. That's one of the Nielsen heuristics, like the thing that you need to have in order to have an acceptable standard for a website. Also, there's no pricing in the header, so that's something that could be really easy to add, and like a really quick fix for your website. People coming in, they want to know how much it costs, straight away. So that's something that's super easy to add and won't make a huge difference for you guys. So if we go up to the meeting rooms, there are a few issues that you get around the language selection here. So just a few English language issues. Same around the calendar and the people. And also the way that it's set up at the moment, you've got a separation of content between co-working and meeting rooms, which is actually a duplication of content. It's all the information that's useful for you guys coming in, looking at a website. You're looking for Waco, but I don't know where in Valencia yet, right? And you want to be able to see, this is the difference between Razappa and the Old Town, and you want to see a map. And that's stuff that's not there at the moment, but really easy to add, that can make a big difference for people in that funnel where you're trying to get them to book and sell, right now. Let's say on your pricing page as well. So this is something that's really easy fix too. So for the moment, you've got a lot of content on there, looking at the different pricing around Waco, but there's no easy connection point for people to move on to the next step. So if I do a really quick check here. Yeah. So if you do something like this, can you see that? So this is typical pricing model. So having that split where you say the different features to the side, so it's really easy to see what you get in those different models, and then have a funnel that's taking you straight to purchase that model right away. So that's something that's, again, it's quite an easy thing to add. I'm going to really, really quickly just show you some different tools that you can use there to check sites, like if you want to check your own. So this one's called Power Mapper, and it checks the heuristics, it checks your usability, it checks your accessibility as well. So everything it tells you on here will, if you make that change to your site, it will improve your search ranking. It will make sure that you're fully accessible for people who have any kind of problems with their eyesight. And also it'll mean that you're meeting all the government standards in the EU. So it's kind of important to meet these standards. But you can see here there are a few issues. I mean, sorry, there's like a few errors. But nothing super major. I had to look through it already, but I can send you the notes.
Yeah.
And there's some other tool out there as well. So this is called, if you know W3C, that's just like web standards, like for the UK, but also the EU. And that's just looking at how you use sites online and making sure that they're doing everything they're supposed to do. Looking at HTML, so the markup language. So this site will tell you exactly where you're failing. It'll give you highlights of like which bits are messed up on your website, so you can really easily go in and fix those. There's also GTMetrix, which is a performance report, so that's looking at your web speed test, and that's all these are free as well, by the way, so you can just like go and type in your web address and it'll tell you. So this one will tell you what the problems are around your speed score. So this is it's not that low, but it'll tell you where you're failing and what you can do to refine your JavaScript, for instance. That's going to make your site speed up, and it's also going to make you rank higher in search. And then
someone of you knows those tools. Sorry. Yeah.
have you?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Do you know this one? Is that this is?
yeah.
So this tool's really particularly good for SEO. They do a free trial for about a week or 10 days. I think it will tell you exactly where you're failing for SEO, which is super important. You know, if you want to be ranking highly, so you can just dig into like what's broken, how to fix it. Really easy way to get in and check your UX without being UX pro.
I think we go for the question
Okay,
first.
all right.